Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a voice amplifier. So I'll show you guys what this is here. This is great if you're a tour guide, a teacher, or somebody who's just having some issues with like a voice issues or something like that. You want to be able to talk loud, you can just have one of these. So let's show you guys what we get here with all the stuff, and I'm just going to put it all down and show you the pieces in my hand. So obviously we have the speaker part here, which also has a little belt clip, so you can belt clip it on. In the top here, we have the play buttons and all that, so we can be playing music through it. We have the micro SD and aux USB, so if you have recorded audio that you want to play or something like that, if you're giving a tour or something like that, you have the ability to do that. We have a little plastic piece here. Some people like that satisfying peel, but didn't hear much, but okay, so there we go. And then this is going to be the on button here. Okay. Nothing's hooked up yet. We have a charger, USB to USB-C. We have a strap here, so we can do that. So if we are on the mobile, we can put this here, this, and hang it up. Like, I'll just put it over my head here, like that. And then we have our headset right here. It's basically just a microphone. Let's see. Hello. Okay. Okay, so here we are. So now I can do this here with the microphone here. I can turn it up and down the volume with this little device here. I guess that's down because I don't hear it now. And then I can go up louder and louder and louder, and hopefully you can hear it now. I don't want to get any feedback because I'm just so close to it right now, but I want to put it by my thing there. You can hear it's slightly tin-ish, but totally legible. I mean, you can totally hear everything about it. So this is a great little setup here. So if I'm walking around and I have a tour with me or something like that, I can just hold this and I can explain things as I go, and everybody will hear me, and it's going to be sweet. It's great. This is a nice little setup here, and it's nice and loud. It gets super duper loud. If I had it up here really even louder, everybody in the house is going to hear me now. So this is cool. If you need a voice little headset, and you can just go around hands-free because you've got it hanging over here. And so this gives you the ability to do whatever you need to do and have the speaker there. Great for classrooms, great for training sessions, anything you need. So thumbs up. This is awesome.